Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am playing with this 2012 GT convertible. We want to change up the front end look a little bit, so we're going to put a splitter on it and bring you along for the install. Alright, so it looks like it's a Classic Design Concepts front end splitter. Here's all the, should be pretty easy install. Here's all the instructions that it comes with. So it should be pretty short and easy. So wish me luck.
Chrome piece going there. This is going to be a more subtle chrome. So the other one had a lot of chrome. This one's not going to have hardly any. Right.
There you go.
Thank you, thank you. Out with the old.
Yes, sir.
And with the new.
Alright, so in the instructions it says we gotta pull these little J clips off. Guys out.
You already know this right here? This holder?
Huh?
This one right here?
Yeah, just right on the very end. They call them J nuts, or
Yeah.
so that just goes right on the very top right there.
Okay.
Just pop in, nice and hard like. Alright, stick that in. Should line up with some of those tags. Put that guy in so it goes all the way. All right, guys, so we got it finished up. How does she look? I think it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better. Needs a wash. And it sounds good. But yeah, it just needs a wash and cleaned up. Utah's been a little weird. It rains and snows and does all sorts, especially on a black car. They get dirty really fast in Utah. Anyway, but yeah, quick little install video. I'm good to go.